Hello foodies, welcome back. Let's see few uses of paneer butter or whey. At our home, when the milk gets spoiled, we extract the paneer from milk and throw away the extra water. If you have been doing this, then please don't throw. This liquid is loaded with natural proteins and several health benefits. It builds muscle strength, provides cellular energy, improves immunity, corrects hormonal imbalance, improves digestion system. You can drink it directly, but if you don't like the taste or smell, then don't worry. Today I'll tell you few uses of the homemade whey. Use it to boil potato, noodles, pasta and things like this. It enhances the taste of the food and it is full of protein and calcium. You can use it to knead any type of dough such as roti, puri or paratha. The roti or puri will be very soft if you use this paneer butter instead of normal butter. I have given the paneer recipe link in the description. You can use this whey to spoil the milk instead of lemon juice or vinegar. It has lactic acid which will help to spoil the milk. In my previous video, I have explained how to make paneer. Click on the I button to get that video. While boiling the dal, instead of water, you can use the paneer butter. If you don't have enough paneer butter to boil the dal, then you can add a little amount of it to enhance the taste. You can use this paneer butter to make gravy in any curry instead of water. To prepare rice or upma, instead of water, you can use this paneer butter. As it has lactic acid, you can use it to clean copper and brass utensils. You have to soak them in this water for 1 hour, then scrub it. To sprout the dal, you can use paneer butter instead of water. By adding the whey, the sprouts will be more healthier. While making soup, instead of water, you can use this. Store it in fridge and daily wipe your face using paneer butter. As it has lactic acid, it can be used as a face cleanser. It will help to make your skin soft. This you can use up to 10 days by storing it in fridge. Instead of lemon juice, you can use this whey or paneer butter to strengthen your nail by wiping your nail with it. On a regular use, it gives you a shiny, strong nail. Instead of lemon or curd, you can use this water to remove dandruff from hair. You have to mask your hair with this water for at least 15 minutes before the hair wash. These are few uses of the whey, so please don't throw the whey whenever you are making paneer at home. Many gym trainers suggest to take whey protein powder on a daily basis. That is artificial whey which has both health benefits and side effects. The whey in paneer is natural and healthy form of whey that has no side effects. If you liked my video, then give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which will motivate me to bring new informative videos for you. Please visit my playlist for crafts and easy quick recipes. If you have any doubt regarding my videos, please mention them in the comment section. I will surely get back to you. Thank you for watching.